Oh, so you can use that one. Yeah.
Do you like that clown?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is he funny?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's funny?
Hey, that's our friend.
Say hi, clown.
Yes, it is. Zoe, don't. She's trying to block the blue. Can you make a fan for me? A fan.
You never saw this clown before, huh? If you only knew.
Mom, this clown.
I think you have seen him before somewhere. As long as the voice is changed. I've had that costume for, what, 20 years?
I went to a circus
what's-
yesterday. I went to a circus yesterday. Did you get a balloon? Oh my God, he has that.
He does?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Did Jordan get a balloon? The same hat that Sonny has.
Oh, the clowns all have the same hat.
Yeah. Sonny has that kind of hat.
Yeah.
But I always break it.
Yeah, because Daddy said not to play with it, huh?
Ready, Jordan? One. Come on, ready? One. Ready? One.
Hear that, clown? Daddy has the same hat.
One.
I guess you share.
Not that too tight, is it?
You sound like that.
You're gonna have a good nap.
But you sound like that squeaking.
You're gonna dream about a
You sound like his daddy's squeaking.
Must be silly.
Not dark blue.
Yes, a dark blue. Get out of here.
I think that's the fan. I think I want you to make me. I want you to make me.
Zoe, turn around so I can get you and Mario together.
A what?
Zoe. Zoe.
A blue balloon. Makes it easy.
What do you want?
I can wait you.
A blue balloon, nice and easy.
Say hi, okay? Wait till he comes around.
Looks like
What do you say? A giraffe.
I don't like that kind of.
Jeff, you gonna go on the horse?
Do you want? We can have a different one after the other kids get one. Okay? What did you say? That's Daddy's car? Can you come down the stairs? Watch out, Zoe. That's Daddy. The clown's driving Daddy's car? Come out, clown. Come here. What happened to Daddy then? What happened to Daddy? He left his trailer here? Get closer. You want to see who the clown is?
I'm driving Daddy's car.
I must be Daddy.
No, you're not. You're a clown.
No, you're not. You're a clown.
So you drive.
Wait, who is it?
No.
It's Daddy! I thought you were a clown.
I am sometimes.
Isn't that funny, Mommy?
You didn't believe him until he took his hat off, huh?
Zoe.
Say hi, Grandpa.
I thought you were a clown.
That's Grandpa. That's Daddy, Mario. That's
Say bye, but Daddy's gonna go wash his face and come back.
Oh yeah, that's okay. I'll be right back.
I thought you were a clown.
All right, come here.
You were making balloons.
What happened? He tricked you, didn't he? Well, Grandpa's coming back.